Hello, beezbladers! Welcome back. Welcome newcomers to the channel. Well, would you just look at this? We have a brand spanking new Wuben. You guys, you already know that's how you have to say it. This is, if you're watching this video on the day this video was released, you're checking this out on release day of the new Wuben E2. And these dudes are going to be cheaper for a few days for the release. And if I have a discount code that's stackable or whatever, ooh, it's going to be down below. Now, I've already opened one so I could figure out how to work it. But look at that. Look at this little dude. This is pretty cool. This is a keychain set. It comes with a little bit of accoutrement, and I'll tell you all about this stuff here in just a second. Let me show you this red one that I've already unboxed. Look at this little dude. And it's 150 lumens? Look at that. 150 lumens of power and max up to 7 hours. Yeah, check this out. 150 lumens, 7 hours, 26 meters, 169 candela. It's IP66 waterproof, which is very nice, very, very nice. And you know, I'm a huge fan. Like, here's the Wuben G5. So all you Wuben fans that like Wuben, oh, and it does come, you can use it as a key ring, you can use it around your neck, you can use it as a necker, but this is what it looks like next to let me put a couple G5s up here. And I'll have links down there where you can get, you know, all kinds of Wuben stuff. But look at this little dude. It's little. It weighs literally a few grams. This is the stuff that comes with it. So first of all, you get the keychain necklace deal, right? And I'll show you the features. Of course I will. This isn't going to be a long video. I mean, there's only so many things you can talk about when you're talking about a neato little flashlight. This is what it looks like. Let me get you up there nice and close. This is USB-C chargeable, which is very nice, very, very nice. I actually plugged this one in for a little bit. There's one interface. There's just one place to push here, and there are lights on the side. You'll see that here in just a second. Let me see if you can see in this version. Now, you can't see through them, but you'll see the little LEDs. It's very impressive how bright this little dude is. And the back of it, actually, that's something, it is magnetic. So it's magnetic. I'll try not to forget all the little neato things about it. And here's something else before we get into all the fun stuff. It's not very big. So lengthwise, 1.6 inches. Widthwise, 3/4 of an inch. And then your width this direction is just over 1/2 inch. It's not super big. Here's the size. I don't know if the size of that bevel right there means anything to you, but it's 0.4 inches. I just like measuring things. But back to what it comes with. It comes with the charging cord. Who doesn't already have USB-C charging cord? Has this little dude here, which you can put, there is a place right there where you can have this as a keychain, or this is pretty neat. So if you want this hanging from your neck, you can have this, like, you or the kids, you can get one for all the kids, you can get one for grandpa and have it flashing so you can keep track of it. But here's this little clampy. Let me see if I can get you to see. There's two little clampies on the side. You go like this and put it over top of it, just like that, and it holds it very secure. And you can have this hanging around your neck. You can have it flashing as a beaked. There's a couple different colors. You could have it flashing, or you can just have it on, literally, if you wanted to read. I can see a lot of uses for these. These little flashlights like this that have the strobe modes and different things like that. I always find tons of uses for them. And this one, I really like it. Now, to release it, see these two little buttons right here on the side? You just go like this and squeeze it, and it lets go. And then to clamp it back on, it's clamped back on. So that's pretty neat. I like that. That's a neat little hold feature if you don't want to have it as a keychain. Although I think this is probably going to be one of those really good keychain flashlights for 150 lumens. Okay, so push the button, and now here I have it on this mode. See how it's very bright. Look how much light's coming out the sides. Now if I hold it down, it's twice as bright. It's a light bright. This is the red one. Now this one here, this one, I have it on the blue flashing. There's a bunch of different options. So fun fact, I had to cough. I hit the button to cough, and then I continued with the video and never hit record. So let me continue with showing you different features. I thought I was all done and pretty happy about it, showing you all the different things. So here's the heartbeat mode, because I don't know where I was. Not important, right? I think I've already showed you all the accoutrement and all the cool stuff that comes with it, and the clamp and all that. But here's some of the modes. So you have this flashy flash mode, and then a lot of times you can just double click to change it to something different. So this, when I double click, it goes to that red and blue, which is pretty bright. And now I held it down, and now we have more of a heartbeat. So usually by either holding it down or double tapping, you can get to a different mode. You see how I held it down? Now I get back to the flash. If I just click the button, it turns it off. If I click the button, turns it back on. Kind of has a memory in that aspect, right? Now, if I have it off and I just push the button down and hold it, then I'm over here to the blue flashy. Double click it, now it's off. Click it again, now you're back to the flashy. So you do have a lot of options. I just double clicked it, came back to my light, which goes right back to the low, medium, and high. Now, you could have one of these hanging off each kiddo out in the yard. You can keep track of them. I don't know if I showed you. Here's the heartbeat mode. It's really simple. Whenever you have it on a mode, you either hold it down or double click it. You don't even have to read the directions. So see how it's doing the heartbeat? If I hold it down, now I'm just the solid brightness. You can have that hanging around your neck, or you could just have that clamped on the side of something. Like you could even do a little bit of reading with that on. You could have this have it clamped at the top of your tent for a little ambient light. This is pretty neato. I do like that it's big magnetic. That's a pretty cool feature. And that's the memory showing you I know where it was, right? Now if I hold it down, I get, man, that's super bright. I'm not sure how long it's going to last on the super bright mode. It also glows in the dark. It's hard for you to see, but it does have a slight green glow, probably to help you find it when it's completely dark from when it was on, right? So I like all the options. I like all the little funness, the fun things about it that give you all the little cool features. I think this would definitely be a great, this for sure. For right now, they're less than 20 bucks. This is going to be a great little gift flashlight to give people. Flipping through the modes is easy. It's really intuitive. I like it. It does everything I like. There's nothing too crazy about it. Not a bunch of different buttons, not a bunch of different modes. It's pretty much waterproof, IP66. That's as good as it gets. These are cool. I know that they're going to sell a ton of them. Every time Wuben comes out with something else like this, and I know this one has been ultra popular, the G5, because this one has the 360 degrees. You can turn it. It's also magnetic. And it has the pocket clip that you can put on any side here, or here. I'm not really, the purpose of this video isn't to tell you about this one, but this one has a bunch of features too. And if you haven't seen these, a lot of times they have these for like 20 to 24 bucks. And these are amazing also. I'm not going to turn this into a complete Wuben extravaganza, because this one's mainly for me to tell you about the new Wuben E2. Here's a couple of the variants. I don't know how many colors they're going to have out there, but this little clippy-do, I like it. You can carry it around your neck, and it makes it really convenient. And it's not one of those ones where you have to be a rocket scientist to figure out how to clamp it on there. You just pull it like this. It clamps on. It's really on there. And, well, you know what I mean? You could have it on one of the different modes and just have it hanging in your tent for light, just to see what you're doing, right? And then camping, all that fun stuff. I think it's a great little flashlight. And for 20 bucks or $19.99 or whatever it is, I think that's pretty cool. Me, myself, and I'm probably going to definitely put this on the keychain and have one of these on my backpack. My backpack, I always like to have a couple extra of this and that, and I have more than one backpack. And I think I will probably put one of these in my shooting bag. So if I'm looking at, trying to see what I'm doing, looking to clean something out, or if something's jammed, or if there's something I want to look at, this will come in handy in my shooting bag too. So these are nice little, and it weighs almost absolutely nothing. Why not, real quick, before we head out and bid adieu, I do want to see how much this weighs. It's only a few grams. Look at that, 11.2 grams. That's as lightweight as it gets. So 11.2 grams. It'll last 7 hours, I'm guessing, on low. That's pretty neat. I like it. Pretty fancy. Mr. Fancy Pants for the Wuben. Let me know what you think about them. And until I see you again, remember, live life in the present, keep a Band-Aid handy, and don't cut yourself.